Hello everyone. Now let's start with some question. Convert into set builder form. Set builder form. Convert into set builder form. First, set is given a equal to 2 by 1, 4 by 3, 6 by 5, 8 by 7, 8 by 7, 10 upon 9. The second question, our second set we have 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 3 by 10, 4 by 17. Okay, so try to convert into set. This is what, in which form, guys? This is in which form?
Tabular form.
Tabular form. Now we have to convert into what? Set builder form. Okay, so convert this set A and set B into the set builder form and tell me the answer. Okay. Okay, now tell me the answer.
X is such that x is n plus 1 divided by n, where n belongs to a natural number which is odd and it is less than 10.
So you are saying that here n belongs to natural number which is odd. You will write on this thing and
No.
then
It belongs to odd natural number.
so how can you represent the odd natural number?
E का साइन आता ना.
Huh?
तो odd n लिखना फिर e और फिर odd natural number लिख दिया ऐसे.
Not like that. Listen. Okay. तुम लोग जो एक चीज लिख रहे हो ना यहाँ पे, कभी n नेचुरल नंबर को ऑड लिख रहे हो, कभी इवन लिख रहे हो, डोंट राइट डाउन लाइक दैट. ओके, जो श्लोका ने कल किया था, सो डोंट फॉलो दैट मेथड. ओके, try to inculcate this thing ki n belongs to the natural number. Okay, so try to solve like that. It is not saying that ki n हमारा odd natural number है, even natural number है. Okay, सिर्फ आपको natural number define करना है. Okay, other answer guys?
Sir, may I tell once more?
Okay, बोलो, कोई इशू नहीं.
X is such that x is equal to n upon n minus 1, where n belongs to natural number, n is even, and n is lesser than and equal to 10.
Okay, cut this even statement and then tell me the answer. Okay, n is a even. Okay, ये वाला statement cut करके तब बताओ आंसर क्या होगा. Now may I? Yes guys. मैं सॉल्व करूँ आप? Yes.
हाँ sir.
You are not following with the sequence basically. Okay. Now try to remember the few things, basic things. It is not related with any chapter or any exercise. It is related with the basic. Okay. What is that first basic? The even multiple. Even multiple. What is even multiple? Even multiple is basically 2n. Okay. Then we have integral multiple. Integral multiple. It is basically n. Then we have odd multiple. Odd multiple. Either 2n minus 1 or 2n plus 1. So when we have to take the 2n minus 1 wala, or when we have to take the 2n plus 1 wala, तो it is when we can take the 2n minus 1 वाला, जब आपका n 1 से start होता है, start with n start with the 1. Okay, I'll take 2n minus 1 when n start with 1. और ये 2n plus 1 वाला हम कब यूज करेंगे? when n start with what? 0. and start with 0 मीन्स यदि आपको सीक्वेंस में 2n minus 1 वाला जो होता है, यदि आपको सीक्वेंस में ऐसा लिख करके आ रहा है 1 3 ओके 1 3 5 ऐसा यदि आ रहा है तो 2n minus 1 यूज कीजिए. यदि आपका सीक्वेंस में ऐसा आ रहा है 3 then 7 ओके 3 के बाद 7 आ रहा है, उसके बाद आपको मान के चलिए नहीं 3 5 7 9 ऐसा आ रहा है. मैंने 1 स्टार्ट विद द 3 1 स्टार्ट विद द 1. तो दोनों में आपको कंपेयर करना कि व्हिच फैक्टर विल स्टार्ट विद. मतलब 1 3 5 7 ऐसा आ रहा है तो हम 2n minus 1 यूज करेंगे. ओके और जब यदि आपका 3 5 7 9 आ रहा है देन यू हैव टू यूज द 2n plus 1. ओके तो ये सारे चीज जो बेसिक है इसको आप याद रखिएगा. And before writing the set builder form of such type of thing, you have to identify the pattern. और पैटर्न क्या है? आप थोड़ा सा ऊपर वाले टर्म को देखिएगा तो फर्स्ट टर्म 2 into 1 है. सेकेंड टर्म क्या है? देखो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है? 2 into 1 है. सेकेंड टर्म क्या है? 2 into 2 है. थर्ड टर्म कितना है? 2 into 3 है. फोर्थ टर्म कितना है? फोर्थ टर्म कितना है? बोलो जल्दी से. 2 into 4 है. फिफ्थ टर्म कितना है? 2 into 5 है. तो आप खुद बताइए n वाला टर्म कितना होगा? तो 2 into n. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
जो आपका n वाला टर्म रहेगा that will be 2 into n because first term is 2 into 1, second is 2 into 2, third is 2 into 3, fourth is 2 into 4, fifth is 2 into 5, so sixth will be 2 into 6, 7 will be 2 into 7, so n will be nth term will be the 2 into n. Clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Now look at the
वाला 2n
Yeah.
minus 1.
Now look at the denominator. Denominator is what? 1 3 5 7 9. And if you look at this, can we say that this is the what? This is the collection of odd number. Yes, which is starting with what? The first term is 1. तो आप यदि यहाँ पे n देखो, अब यदि 2n minus 1 में यदि आप n की जगह 1 पुट करते तो कितना आता है? n की जगह 1 पुटिएगा तो 1 आएगा because 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. n की जगह आप 2 पुट कीजिएगा तो कितना आएगा? 2 into 2 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. n की जगह 3 पुट कीजिएगा तो कितना आएगा? 2 into 3 is
5.
6 6 minus 1 is 5. यदि 4 पुट कीजिएगा तो कितना आएगा? 7. Means look at the, if you put n equal to 1 then you will get the 1 in this. If you put n equal to 2 in this, you will get n equal to 3. Means can we say that this sequence is matching with this sequence? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or there are other method also to identify this. Can we say that this is in the AP, arithmetic progression? Yes, favorite one, सबका favorite? Yes, arithmetic progression में नहीं लग रहा है कि 1 3 5 7 9. The common difference is constant. 3 में से 1 माइनस कीजिए 2 है, 5 में से 3 माइनस कीजिए 2 है, 7 में से 5 माइनस कीजिए 2 है, 9 में से 7 माइनस कीजिए 2 है. मींस कैन वी से दैट अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में जो d है वो सब में कांस्टेंट है. मींस इट इज एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. और अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का nth टर्म आप निकाल सकते हैं. यस, एंड इफ यू फाइंड द nth टर्म ऑफ दिस सीक्वेंस you will get the same thing, that is 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. So if I have to rewrite the set A into set builder form, I will use this thing x such that x equal to, it is not divided by, okay? The meaning of this is what? Such that we are collecting the numbers, we are collecting, that's why the curly bracket. What we are collecting? The number. What is the relation in the number? That is x equal to, okay? And what is that relation? 2n upon 2n minus 1. 2n upon 2n minus 1. Where n belongs to the natural number, n belongs to the natural number, n is less than or equal to, yes guys, kitna less than or equal to?
5.
5. Because N is not here. This is not your N. Listen, guys, this is not, I'm saying every time. This is not your N. What is this, guys? ये क्या है? ये N नहीं है. ये क्या है?
X.
These are the X. This is not N. The permissible value of N is, if you write it on this, the nth term will be 2n. तो आपको N इस सीक्वेंस के लिए 5 तक ही हो सकता है. आप यदि n का 1 लोगे तो 2 मिल जाएगा, 2 लोगे तो 4 मिल जाएगा, 3 लोगे तो 6 मिलेगा. ओके, 4 लीजिएगा तो आप 8 हो जाएगा. इफ यू टेक n as a 5 then you will get 10. तो उसके बाद तो है ही नहीं नंबर. That's why the permissible value for n is 5 and the collection is the till 10 by 9. Clear? Now in this, if you put n equal to 5, you will get the 9. I'm clear with all this. Everyone got this concept? Yes? Are you following me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
what
sir.
will the set be? Can anyone tell me what will the set be?
So can I tell
Tell? No issue.
X such that
Okay, x such that
X equals to
equal to
n upon n square plus 1
n upon n square plus 1. Got it, guys? 100% right.
Yes,
N
yes,
upon
yes.
n square plus 1. Okay.
yes, where n belongs to natural numbers
N belong to the natural number.
and n is less than and equal to 4.
4. This is 100% right. Sir, how can we got this n upon n square plus 1? If you look at this term, first term you have 1, second term you have 2, third term you have 3, fourth term is 4. So obviously fifth term will be 5, sixth term will be the 6, seventh will be the 7. The n will be the what? N? Means here I can write on the nth term will be the n. And for the denominator, if you look at this, यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 5 है, यहाँ पे 10 है. This is random. Okay, it is not any the integral multiple, even multiple or odd multiple. It is not like that. It is a random. But random में भी कुछ आप थोड़ा सा ना देखोगे ना तो थोड़ा सा अलग तरह का एक पैटर्न यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा. Okay, पैटर्न मिलेगा. क्या पैटर्न है? The 2, the 5, 10, 17. 17 कैसे होगा? मतलब 2 कैसे होगा? 1 स्क्वायर करूं और 1 ऐड कर दूं तो ये मिल जाएगा 2. 2 स्क्वायर करूंगा और 1 में ऐड कर दूंगा तो 5. मींस आई कैन, दिस इज द 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1, this is the 2 square plus 1, basically this is the 3 square plus 1, and this is the 4 square plus 1. So obviously if you follow all this sequence, so n term will be what? Then a square plus 1. That's what the answer is. X is that x equal to n upon n square plus 1, where n belongs to the natural number and is less than or equal to 4. Got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, two more things. Next question is, convert into set builder form. Set builder. Play convert into noise. Set builder form. If set builder form, if x equal to one upon five, comma 3 upon 3 upon just a second, guys. Okay, 7, comma 5 upon 5 upon 9, comma 7 upon 11, comma 9 upon 9 upon 13. Another question is write on into roster for if y is a collection of letter of the word just mathematics.
सर पहला हो गया.
First one done. Oh wow. What is x then?
Sir, x is such that
Wait a minute. Om Upadhyay, tell me, you got the first
Yes.
one?
No, sir, I'm solving it.
Okay, then first solve this. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. Okay, guys. दूसरे को भी solve करने देते हैं, फिर हम लोग discuss करेंगे. Can you repeat this again? You are saying x so that x equal to n upon
n plus 4.
n plus 4. Okay,
N is a natural number.
n belongs to the natural
Belongs to a
number.
yes, and yes,
N is less than equal to
9.
9. Means, can you tell me the permissible value of n here?
Sorry.
Can you tell me the permissible? मतलब कितने सारे value हो सकते हैं n के यहाँ पे? If you are saying that n is less than 9, it means then I can choose n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes.
Yes.
So if I put n equal to 1, so I'll get 1 upon 5. The first term is right. But if I put n equal to 2, then 2 upon 6. Where is 2 upon 6? Is it in the sequence anywhere?
No.
No. That's why you.
No. Yes.
That's why this is not the right answer. Got my point? Means
Sir, I got the answer.
just a second. Okay, just a second. You got the answer? No, you got the concept here. Okay, why we cannot write down x equal to n upon n plus 4?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Because whatever you choose the value of a small n, na, that must satisfy each and every term. Okay, वो सारा value से हर एक term मतलब associate हो रहना चाहिए. Then we can write on that. Okay, now the second type of sequence कोई आप बता सकते हो यहाँ पे किसने कुछ और लिखा है तो set builder में? Yeah, बोलो.
Sir, x equal to curly bracket x where x is equal to
just a second.
हाँ.
रिया ने हाथ उठाया, एक बार रिया को बोलने दीजिए. Yes, Riya.
Sir, x is such that x is equal to 2n minus 1
2n
upon
minus 1.
2n plus 3, where x is a natural number and n is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 5.
This is the right answer. It is 2n minus 1 upon 2n plus 3. Okay, thus means your answer is not, it is incorrect basically. It is 2n minus 1 upon 2n plus 1. Okay, so if you choose 2n plus 1, now the first you will get the right. But what about the second, third, and fourth? Okay, clear?
yes, sir.
So this is the right answer. Now tell me, okay, chat box में मुझे लिख करके भेजिए कि किसका ये आंसर सेम आया था. Exactly same answer. Okay, Siddharth. Okay, Gauri, Shruti, Om, Kunal. Okay, no issue, man. Amit was. Okay, Thomas, you got the same answer or not?
No, sir. The numerator was correct, but 2n minus 1 was correct. But then मैंने वहाँ पे लिखा था कि 2n plus 1. फिर सोचा कि पहले AP से ट्राई करती. AP से मिला 3 plus 2n. But
No,
फिर
no,
जब
no,
second
no, no,
number
no, no, no. Wait. If you try with the AP now, you will get the 100% right answer. You don't have to even think for the other. Okay, I'll try with the AP. Okay, just a second. But make sure that what is the condition in AP? 10th standard में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा था. Condition in AP is what? The difference must be same. So here difference is 2. Here difference is 2. Here difference is 2. Here difference is 2. Means can we say that this sequence is in AP?
yes.
Yes. Okay. And if you look at the numerator is also in AP. Difference is 2. Difference is 2. Difference is 2. Difference is 2. Okay. Means if the difference is constant, we can apply the formula for AP. What is the nth term of the numerator? Nth term of the Tn बोलो numerator है कितना होगा? A. याद है formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. This was the formula for Tn. So A is 1 plus n minus 1. Okay. Into D is 2. Now if you solve this, what you will get? 1 plus 2n minus 2. And that equal to 2n minus 1. This is for the numerator. Now if you solve for the denominator, what will get? Tn. The 5 plus n minus 1 into 2. The 5 plus 2n minus 2, that equal to 2n plus 3. The answer will be same. But this is restricted to when you have common difference same throughout the sequence. Okay, then you can apply this formula. Otherwise, like if you look at the previous problem, there was the n square plus 1. The n square plus 1 you cannot find out with the AP. Because the term there, the difference was not the same. The first term was 2. Second term was, I think, n square plus 1 thana 5. Third term was 10. Yes. So if you look at the here, the 2, 5, 10, the difference is not same. So we cannot apply the formula there. But we can apply the formula here because difference is same. So if you got the such type of sequence with the same difference, you can apply the formula for the AP. दिमाग उतना लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. AP से आप आराम से solve कर सकते हो. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so what will the answer here? The x is that x equal to 2n minus 1 upon 2n plus 2n plus 3. Okay, where n belongs to the natural number and n is less than or equal to what? 5.
5.
Okay, this is the answer. What about this for the y set? Can anyone tell me what is the y? We have to convert into roster form. Okay. Yes, Athar, you want to tell me something?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, answer is y is equal to curly brackets m comma a comma t comma h comma e comma I comma c and s.
Okay.
E.
Listen. Just a second. Your answer is right. Okay. Now, what is the collection? Collection of a letters. Okay. Collection of letters of the word mathematics. Means you have to collect a letter form. Okay. We have to collect a letter. So collect a letter को सारे letter को collect करो क्या होगा फिर? तो फिर m, and we know that in the roster form, what is the key concept of roster form? कि each term must be separated with ओम उपाध्याय. Each term is a comma. So can we say that then m, उसके बाद क्या आएगा a, then t, then h. सारे letters है ना ये? e, then m, then a, then t, then I, then c, then s. Yes. Don't interrupt me. Okay, कुछ देर रुको तुम लोग. किसी के अंदर में भावना जग रहा होगा सर ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे कुछ बताना है इसके लिए मैं ऐसा लिखा हूँ. So basically this is the collection of the letter, but we are writing set. And in sets, we know that the set is a collection of well-defined. Well-defined means what? Can we say that it is a well-defined? It is not well-defined. Not well-defined. Meaning of well-defined is we cannot repeat the element in the set. So if already you wrote here m, तो यहाँ का m आप दोबारा लिख नहीं सकते हो. Repetition is not allowed in the set. Means आपने a इधर लिख चुका है तो a यहाँ पे मत लीजिए, आपने t लिखा है तो आप t मत लीजिए. Clear? Yes. Means the correct answer for the y will be, you cannot repeat the element in the set. Okay, then m, a, t, h, e, then I, then C, then S. This is the correct answer for the Y. So from here, from now onwards, you have to be keep in your mind that repetition is not allowed. Okay, repetition is not allowed in the set. Clear with this? Yes, everyone. Try to solve this question. Question third, fourth, fifth. Okay, what is the question basically? Write the following sets in the set builder forms. Okay, so try to write it down. Shruti, tell me the answer for
Yes.
question number third.
A is equal to curly bracket
A is equal to
X
curly
such-
bracket x such that
x such that x is equal to pi raised to n,
5 raised to n.
comma, n belongs to natural number and n is smaller than or equal to 4.
Yeah, because this is what 5 to the power 1. This is the 5 to the power 2. This is the 5 to the power 3, and this is the 5 to the power 4. So obviously nth term will be what? 5 to the power n. That's why here we have a equal to x such that x equal to 5 to the power n. Okay, where n belongs to n, that means natural number, and n is less than equal to 4. So here if you look at the value of n, to 1, 2, 3, 4 hai, isliye n is less than equal to 4. Okay, now Siddharth, tell me the answer for this question number 4.
A equal to curly bracket
A equal to curly bracket
x such that x is equal to 2n, n belongs to natural number.
2n and n belongs to natural number.
Natural number.
Here we don't have to put a restriction on small n. Why? Because it is infinite. It is infinite set. आप यहाँ पे n कुछ भी ले सकते हो because it is dot 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 means you can take any value of n there. But that n should belongs to the n should be belongs to the natural number. Okay, what were the answer for question number 5? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rastogi. Tell me the answer for question number 5.
X is such that x is equal to n square, n belongs to natural number and n is lesser than and equal to 10.
Yeah, x says that x equal to n square because this is the 1 square, this is the 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, so on. This is a 10 square. So n square, where n belongs to the natural number and n is less than equal to 10. Okay, so I think अब समझ में आ गया कि how to write down into the roster form or tabular form, or we can say the set builder form. So there will be no confusion with this. Yes. कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा ना इस वाले कंसेप्ट से आप लोगों को? हेलो.
No, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir, no.
Now try to solve question number 6. Match each of the set, okay, on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. 1, 2, 3, 6 first, 2, 3, then we have M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S, then 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, तब बताइए आप लोग मुझे कि कौन से सेट को हम लोग और कौन से ऑप्शन को किससे मैच किया जाएगा. Om Upadhyay, for the first, tell me which option I'll choose.
Sir, C.
C. Okay. Natural number or divisor of 6. Okay. चलो ठीक है. Natural number or divisor of 6. C. What about the second? Shruti.
A, sir.
Okay. A. Prime number, divisor of 6. And everyone knows about this. Third is D. And obviously remaining will be the what? An odd natural number less than 10. So this will be the 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll talk about next concept, that is types of sets. Types of sets. Just a second. Okay, so write on next heading as types of sets. First, singleton set. Okay, singleton set. Can anyone tell me what is the singleton set?
Sir, it consists of only one element.
Only one element means only one element. Only one element. Can we say that this is a singleton set? X such that x minus 5 equal to 6. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Can we say that? If you solve this, you will
Yes,
get
yes.
x equal to 11 and you will have only one value of x there. और वो क्या है आपका 11 है. So this is the singleton set. Suppose if I write down like this, collection of even prime number. Even prime number.
Singleton.
Singleton.
yes, sir, it is.
It is singleton. Why? Because if you look at the
Only
even prime
two
number,
is prime
only
number.
two. Only two is the even prime number. So if you look at this for this, you will get the what? Only two. Okay. What about here? What about here?
11.
11. Okay. Let's suppose C set is collection of what I can say that whole number, collection of whole number which is not natural number.
0.
Is it a singleton set or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
It is a singleton set. Why? Because if you look at the
Zero.
collection of whole number which is not a natural number, the only 0 is there. So 0.
Zero.
It is a singleton set. So singleton set is clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now second important set is null set. Null set or void set. Okay. It is basically denoted by phi. किससे denote किया जाता है? Phi और ऐसा ये दोनों symbol use किया जाता है to for the representation or we can say denoted by कुछ भी था. ठीक है, इनका पहले define कर लेते, बाद में denote लिखते हैं. Null set. Can anyone tell me what is null set?
Sir, what?
What is null set or void set? Void means what? खाली.
It does not consist any element.
So no element. No element. Yeah. Only one element singleton. No element means null or void. Void means what? Khali. It is denoted by. It is denoted by phi. What is this called as PHI. Phi or this as. Now my question is here. Question is, can this is a null set? जिससे मैं पूछूं wait. Can this is a null set? और मैं जिनसे पूछूंगा Om.
Yes, sir.
Can we say that this is a null set or not?
No, sir. It is a null set.
It
Not
is.
a null set. Sorry.
It is not.
It
Why
is
it
not
is?
a null set.
Why it is not a
Sir,
null set?
because it has an element which is 0, and 0 is also a number.
Okay. So listen. This is not a null set. Not a null set. Why? Because it consists an element which is 0. Okay, which is 0. The
It is a
0.
singleton.
This is singleton. Yeah, you can say that this is singleton. मैंने singleton में already यहाँ पे लिखा है. All यहाँ पे आप बोल रहे हो कि this is a singleton set जिसमें एक element है. तो how can we say that this is a null set? तो बहुत सारे student को से confusion होता है. It is a null set. Okay, it is not null set because it consists one element. That's why it is a null set. It is not a null set. Okay. Now, another question. Another question. Is a null set.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Dev Karthik. Might. Okay, then you can write on there also. Ria, is this is a null set?
Sir, it is a null set.
Okay. Gauri,
Yes, sir, it is a null set.
okay. What about the Rastogi?
Sir, it is null set because it does not contain anything in 5.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now. Thomas,
Sir, it is a null set.
Amitosh,
Sir, it is not a null set.
why it is not a null set?
Sir, because the set has 5, which is denoted, which is used to denote a null set. So the null set is an element of this set.
Exactly. 5 act as an element for the set. And that's why this is not a null set. Clear? This is the set, representation of set. Inside there is the element. Okay, if it is not there now, then we can say that. If it is something is there, then you cannot say that is a null set. Null set basically means only this. Okay, there is nothing in that. Okay, yeah, this is equal to also 5. Means can I write on this is basically this set is basically like this. ऐसा है कुछ इस सेट के लिए तो ये तो एलिमेंट की तरह काम करने लगा. Clear? Means if something is there, कुछ भी यहाँ पे रहेगा ना, then you cannot say it is a null set. If only it is a vacant, then you can say that it is a null set. Means if I ask you, is it a null set or not? This is a null set. Yes.
No, sir.
No, it is
sir,
not a null
it's
set.
not a
Why?
null
Because this will act as an what? An element. Got the concept for null set? Yes or no, guys? समझ में आ गया?